Hello boys and girls, I'm Val.
I'm Georgia.
And we're from El Ritmo South American Dance Academy, and today we're going to
dance!
Today we're going to dance, so get ready. For those who are watching at home, stand up and follow us. So we're going to learn first few steps and then we're going to dance with the music, okay? So here we go. First of all, we're going to bring our feet together. Great. And we're going to march on the spot. That's it. Marching on the spot. Excellent. All right, to our next step. What are we going to do?
We are going to
reach our arms forward as we march. We're going to reach our arms forward and we're going to point to 1, then 2, and then 3. Okay, let's do these. Here we go, marching. And 1, and 2, and 3. Excellent. Now, from there, we are going to lean. So we're going to open our legs a little bit and we're going to lean. So we're going to lean to one side first. And Georgia and I are going to clap our hands together. But if you are dancing by yourself, it's okay. What you're going to do, you're going to reach your hand out to one side and take it to the other side. Okay, so here we go. Reach. 1 and 2. There you go. Excellent. All right. Okay, and our last steps, we are going to take our leg forward. Yes, and we're going to clap. Ready? And clap. And clap. And clap. Yes, well done. Okay, so here we go. Now to our last steps. Bring your arms forward. And we're gonna bend our knees all the way down and swivel our hands and then up. Then take your right to one shoulder and then to the other shoulder, just across. From there, we're going to bring our arms up and close your hand and take the other arm up and close your hand. And then we're going to tilt our body, turn your body, and you're going to do 3 claps. That's it. All right, are you ready to dance with the song? You ready, guys? Here we go. boys and girls, did we have fun? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes, we had fun. Well, thank you very much for watching. See you later.